I've been hearing about non-violent theories of the atonement.
It's all about the idea that God would be cruel to punish Jesus for our sins. And I don't think highly of this at all. The theologian Oliver Crisp has said, given the crucifixion of Jesus, how could there be any theory of the atonement that doesn't involve violence? God chose the crucifixion as a means of our redemption. So, no matter what theory of the atonement you have, Christus Victor, moral influence, governmental theory, satisfaction model, penal substitution, they all involve the horrible violence of the crucifixion. So the question would be, well, which one can make the best sense of it? And I think the idea that Christ bore the punishment that we deserved so that we might be forgiven and freed makes good sense of the use of that means of redemption.